go to order number 11. And okay, your point of order, Leader of Majority. Then
Honorable Speaker, actually is a point of information emanating from something the Honorable Mwago has said, that the 291 members who signed the motion had interacted with the motion, and it is true. And the 50 or so who have not signed have not interacted. Just to inform the member for Starehe that we are indeed, the clerk's office is in the process now of translating the motion in Swahili, so that you may read and understand. The only language you may not be able to translate to is vernacular. But it will be both the motion and the questionnaire will be uploaded in Swahili. Therefore, it will be very easy for the member for Starehe now to read and understand the motion. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
What's your point of order, member for Starehe?
It's quite unfortunate that such a senior member in this House would take time to insinuate that I don't understand English. I understand that we went to alliance, but of late your utterances has been putting alliance school into question, very wanting by the way you're conducting yourself. You are a very lacking member to be answering me, actually. Thank you.
Okay, honorable members, let's move to the next order. But member for Starehe, I think the assurance is that it needed to be translated in Kiswahili because those are the two official languages, and for the benefit of our constituents who will be reading it. But also, I think most importantly, you'll be able to find the motion at the table office, which means you can get a copy of it as soon as now, and then you can be able to read it. Let's go to the next order, order number 11. What is your point of clarification, member for Dagoretti?
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Just to tell the member of Starehe, the motion was tabled yesterday. It is public. You just pick it and read it.
Thank you. Let's proceed to the next order, order number 11.
Order number 11.